который всегда может показать хороший уровень.
A bit of disappointment that we didn't see the game out, but Shakhtar had a lot of pressure, a lot of the ball in the second half. I didn't think they really worried us, but you know, in the end, you know, we unfortunately we gave away a goal. Shakhtar are a good team, and I've got a great reputation and results playing here. So it was a point away from home in the group. So I don't think it's too bad a result.
Au marcat, după care sigur că s-au organizat pentru a ne prinde pe contraatac sau pe atacuri foarte rapide. Au jucători pentru a face lucrul ăsta. Dar noi știam, eu cred că am controlat jocul neriscând absolut nimic. Faptul că Manchester n-a tras decât un șut pe poartă, cel care au marcat, înseamnă foarte mult.